2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power liftgate, backup camera, power sunroof, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, keyless start. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.